Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.